Hello, beautiful people. In this video, we're gonna see my trip to Amsterdam. And I went there because of a conference. I was speaker for two of the talks. And Amsterdam, you beautiful city. I loved every day and I will definitely go back. But yeah, this is day one when the conference started. I got a bit late, but so I just figured out how to go to the venue, and the place that I stayed in was very close to metro, and this was the longest elevator I've ever been on. I don't know about you, but it was for me, and it took like a whole minute to get down. I didn't walk. Okay. And this was beautiful because it was showing all the maps as well. And then my train came in, and I remember the stations as well. This is my first time. But yeah, the city is so beautiful, so so clean. There's no pollution, and I love that. And the weather was very chilly, even though people warned me that it will be chilly, but I didn't listen to them because that's what I do. And then the talk was on the second day. I had two talks back to back, and yeah, I got done with that, and it was amazing. The Hey guys, so I just thought, I'm in Amsterdam by the way. I just thought that I will create a vlog. I never did it before, and it's so public. I am so shy, but it's good because I never use any public transport in India, but I love public transport in any other country, and that's a whole experience. And I love to live like a local, so that's what I'm trying to do right now. Also, I just came from my conference. I had two talks in OpenSearchCon, and that was amazing. In the last talk, my throat was killing me, so usually I speak really fast, but I had to speak really slow this time, and I think it was good because that's how like people, the audience understands you better how the talk is going on. That's good. Nice. I like it. This was the location of the conference. So after the conference, I just went back. I think I went somewhere else. I don't remember because it's been such a long time. But yeah, I was just enjoying the views, and then I switched my hotel as well, and the view was amazing from the second hotel. And I was just exploring just Amsterdam right now. So this is Central Station, and this was really beautiful. I mean, everything is beautiful in Europe. I mean, what can I say? I just loved it. And this was my first Europe city as well, so it's a special thing. And the houses that Amsterdam is famous for is just Pinteresty, And I tried the stroopwafel that they are really famous for, but it was okay. I mean, it was very sugary, but yeah, the strawberries were so good. I just bought a whole lot of strawberries because I was just craving for it. Okay, saying random shit. So I just explored anything, and I was just walking around the city taking any random metro, and then I just dozed off because I was just so tired the whole day. And the next day I went to Saharan. Look at this place. Look at it. I mean, it's it. I was just seeing all of this on YouTube or Instagram, and I was like, it can't be that beautiful. I mean, it can't be, but it's 100 times more beautiful in person. The videos are not justifying the beauty of this place because the sky is so clear and it's the perfect blue green vibes. And yeah, and it was all it's I think it's always windy in Amsterdam. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is the video of me trying to say something which I also need to decode. I don't know what I said, don't remember, because I was just so shy that people are, you know, just close to me and like judging me or something, but people don't care, really, they don't. But yeah, that's in my head. That's okay. I think I stayed here for like 2 hours or so, and it was so cold. The earlier day I did carry my jacket, and it was so warm, and I was just sweating. And the next day, when I didn't, the weather decided to be so cold, and I waited there for my bus to arrive. It was like an hour, and I was literally freezing. Hello, this is the last day in Amsterdam, and I'm trying to go to Haarlem. Let's see how it goes. Haarlem was so beautiful, even better than Amsterdam because there was no crowd. So if you visit Amsterdam or Netherlands, you must visit here because it was so beautiful. And the church, I mean, it was so beautiful, and this was my first train ride, like proper train ride, so I was just so happy. And then I went to Adam's Lookout. That was so amazing, but I was too afraid to go on the swing, so I didn't go. But next time, definitely, I'll go. So when you go to Adam's Lookout, you can see Amsterdam written over the metro station. Look at the view. This was such a beautiful evening, and the weather was so beautiful. It was so windy that my eyes was just filled with water every single day, but the view is important, so, and that's me. And it was just so heartbreaking to go back